My name is Bea Amon and come from Slovenia. I was awarded the BELMA award for good learning textbooks in the European space. My textbook, which was prepared with the editor Mladinska knjiga from Ljubljana or from Slovenia, is dedicated to fine arts in 6th grade primary school. On this occasion, I would like to thank the jury that saw the values I supposed this work would have, and especially my editor-in-chief, Mrs. Metka Pušenjak, and the graphical designer, Peter Svetek. Of course, I would like to invite everybody to visit Mladinska knjiga in this fair and to give art the place it must have within primary school all along Europe and in the world.